Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube videos to TikTok. So let's get started in no time. So as you can see, we are in the TikTok but we need to go ahead and go to the Play Store and then search for Black Hole. Search for it, and as you can see, we got our application like this. Alright, after going and downloading this application, all you need to do, you need to go and again download another application, which is CapCut. So search for it in the application and then you will get it like this. All right, so now let's go ahead and go to the YouTube channel, the YouTube video that you want to upload. So first thing first, let's just go to the YouTube, and then you can simply go to your own channel. Then like this, you can view your YouTube channel like that. And then what you can simply do, just tap on the three dots. All right, and then you will see the share button right over here. So you need to tap on the share and then again click on this option called copy link. Just go with that and then go to the Black Hole application that you have recently downloaded from the Play Store. So here is the Black Hole application, so I will go with that. So tap on that. Now you need to tap on this black hole icon right in front of you. Just tap on this option and you need to now wait for the video. Alright guys, as you can see, the video has been uploaded here. So now from here you need to tap on the videos option, and guys, as you can see, this is my video right over here. So after doing all this process, you need to go to the CapCut that we have installed from the Play Store. So go ahead and go to the CapCut like this. Open the CapCut, go to the edit option right over here, and now what you need to do, just tap on the new project option right over here. Just tap on that, and now you need to select the video. Just select the video and now just tap on add. Alright guys, after adding the video into the timeline like this, then what you need to do, on the bottom side you need to scroll it down like this, and here you see the aspect ratio option. Just tap on this aspect ratio, and then here is the TikTok icon right over here. So you need to tap on this, and now as you can see, we got a video like this. Now you can simply export, but before that, let's just adjust the video to the canvas. All right, like this. You can adjust the video like this, and now what you can simply do, just go with the export option right over here. Then it will export the video as it is, as the aspect ratio of the TikTok. As you can see, we got the video. Then tap on done, and now simply go to the TikTok account that you have and then tap on the plus icon right over here. Then here is the video in my storage. Just click on that and tap on next, and as you can see, we got the video like this. So what you can simply do, then tap on the next and simply upload the video into your TikTok. So simply that's how I share YouTube uploaded videos on TikTok. So hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it's worth or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out guys, and have a nice day.